As part of the new Lexus Safety System Plus 2.0, several new Lexus models now offer an enhanced pre-collision system. Models with LSS Plus 2.0 have the added ability to detect bicyclists in daytime situations, as well as both vehicles and pedestrians in daytime and low-light situations. These features make use of a forward-facing camera and grille-mounted radar system, integrated together with vehicle detection, brake assist, and automatic emergency braking systems to help mitigate or avoid a frontal collision. When the pre-collision system determines that the possibility of a frontal collision with another vehicle is high, it triggers audible and visual alerts to prompt the driver to take evasive action and apply the brakes. If the driver responds by applying the brakes, the pre-collision system may also automatically employ brake assist to provide additional braking force. If the driver does not apply the brakes within a set time, and the system determines that the likelihood of a frontal collision with another vehicle is extremely high, the system may activate automatic emergency braking to apply the brakes automatically, reducing speed to help mitigate the impact or, if possible, avoid a collision entirely. Under certain conditions, the enhanced pre-collision system can also detect the presence of pedestrians and bicyclists in front of the vehicle. If it determines a high possibility of frontal collision with either one, it will prompt the driver to take evasive action and apply the brakes, using audible and visual alerts. The same for a potential vehicle collision. As in the case of a potential vehicle collision, it may implement brake assist if the driver does not apply sufficient brake force, or automatic emergency braking if the driver fails to brake within a set time and the risk of a collision with a pedestrian or bicyclist is deemed extremely high. Refer to your Lexus Owner's Manual for additional information on pre-collision system operation, settings, adjustments, limitations, and precautions. Thanks for watching this Know Your Lexus video.